Did you know that potato juice is used for skin brightening? The regular use of potato juice will lighten and brighten your skin while leaving you with a radiant, glowing skin. Potato juice also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. It helps out with hyperpigmentation, dark spots. Potato juice is rich in vitamin C and B. So friends, let's make some potato cream, okay? The first thing I will be doing today, I'm gonna be peeling the potato like so, okay? The next step will be using this grater to grate my potatoes, okay? I'm gonna be using this side. It's very, very good. Start like so. Okay, let's do this. Let's move on to the next step. The next thing we're gonna be doing, we will be straining the potato juice. All right, there's a lot of juice in here, a whole lot of juice in here. We're gonna start out with a clean bowl. So we're gonna be adding aloe vera. This aloe vera is scented, I didn't know. I'm gonna be using a giant tablespoon, like so. I'm gonna give you a little mix. Like so, okay? Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm about to show you something. Oh my God. You see in the spoon, that's the starch of the potatoes. So because I want more starch than water, I'm gonna pour a little bit in here, like that. See? Under here is a lot of starch under there. I'm just gonna mix it like so. I'll put this away. So before I add the potato juice, I'm gonna add one spoon of organic honey in here, like so. The reason I'm adding honey, because I really do have a brutal dry skin. Like my skin is drier than dry. So I always do my best to hydrate my skin, okay? So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna be adding one, two, it's like 3 teaspoons of the potato juice. So we're gonna start the mixing process, okay? There's a lot of potato juice in here, and I'm not mad about that. As you can see, it's a watery consistency. I don't like it watery anymore since I made the avocado cream. I like it and I prefer using it thick and all of that. So yeah, I'll be adding some vegetable glycerin. And the next product I'll be adding will be some vitamin E oil. The next product that I will be adding in here will be some carrot oil. This consistency is really, really loose. I'm gonna be adding 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. I'm gonna be using my mini hand mixer, like so. Okay. Let's see how thick it got it. As you can see, we have a thick consistency now. You know we're not stopping here, right? The next thing I'm gonna be adding in here will be some tea tree oil. Oh, smells so good. I'm just gonna be adding a few drops. I don't know if you can see it getting in there, but it is. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna be adding will be some orange essential oil. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a few drops again. Like that. Okay, let's mix. Okay guys, this is the consistency that we have right now, which I'm very pleased with, very, very happy with. I like the consistency. It is so nice and all of that. Let's package our potato cream. Go like so.
There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
So guys, this is our finished product. I am digging it. It is very, very pretty. As you can see, it's pretty bouncy. I love it. It smells so good as well. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing a little demo for y'all to see how it applies, okay? I'm gonna go like so, and I'll put it here like so, rub it down. It is really, really creamy. I am happy about this consistency. My hand feel moisturized, like really, really moisturized. Like it is very, very moisturized. So guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.